to take it all in, falling forward. Still I wish I could go back. I wish I could go back. If I had welcomed you, understood the look in your eyes, spent less time perusing the aisles, maybe turned my phone off for a while, could I have done right by you instead of idly coasting through? Spoke my love in bold letters, unfettered, saying what I really meant to. But man cannot go backward, backwards, backwards. Bound to take it all in, falling forward.
Natin. Saan dyan?
Still I wish I could go back.
Lagyan dyan eh. Magawa tayo ng bigo dyan. At naalam mo itong bigo?
If I could, I would do it over again. If I could, I would. If I could, I would do it over again. If I could, I would. If I could, I would do it over again. If I could, I would. If I could, I would do it over again. If I could, I would. Backward, backwards, backwards. Take it all in, falling forwards. Still I wish I could go back. I wish I could go back. Are you hearing my words I'm saying to you? 'Cause I'm looking in your eyes, you're looking past mine, but I'm just trying to break this cycle. Why are you staring at the door? Like I'm in the way. If you're leaving, that's fine, but don't forget your pride. 'Cause I'm just trying to break this cycle. Are you? Are you? Are you? saying sorry for things that we can't change. 'Cause I don't wanna live that way. Do you wanna live that way? I don't wanna live that way. Do you? Do you? This is it, life's not infinite. It's the only chance we get. So why are we waiting? Why are we waiting? Will it click? Looking for the next new fix. Is this the new kind of sick? Why are we waiting? Why are we waiting? They say they have the answers, but no one's getting better. They say they have the answers, but it's always pay to enter. And isn't life funny? Make some money, spend it all to feel less crummy, and think that we've made it. Think that we've made it. Well, what else? Sit by ourselves, think about the hands we're dealt and all our guilt. Think that we've made it. Think that we've made it. They say they have the answers, but no one's getting better. They say they have the answers. It's always pay to enter and enter.
Straight cruising, headed for a bruising, watching out for number one. You gotta slow down and look around you, son.
Anong masasabi niyo sa ating
Today is just today and not tomorrow. Where you're going, you can rest your head. Where you're going, brightness looks big. Where you're going, truth cannot be hid. You gotta get going. Easy now. You gotta get going. Easy now. Be hard working so you can be deserving of the rest that you are given. You gotta slow down and look around you, son. Give a lot and live a little. Work with what you got. Where you're going, you can rest your head. Where you're going, brightness looks big. Where you're going, truth